Hi, I'm Dean from McDurmon Distributing, and on today's tech tip, miraculously, we're not talking about props, we're talking about power trim motors. What I happen to have here is a Sierra kit, and what this does, this converts the power trim that has the two solenoids, it's a 3-wire motor, to a 2-wire system that uses the relays. The reason we're doing this tech tip, we get quite a few calls on these. The instructions are okay, but they're a little bit vague on what to do. Basically, you're removing the motor, the stock one, you're removing the solenoids and you're replacing them with the relay harness and setup and the motor, obviously. And there are different, in the parts bag here, there are different length adapters to go into the hydraulic system itself. So it's not real hard once you get it laid out, look at it. It does have some instructions, like I say, it's just a little bit vague, that's why we're doing this video. So I hope this helps you out, and remember, at McDurmon, we're your parts professionals.